The truck has been loaded. It is strapped down, hopefully well enough. If not, well, then we'll find out on the way up there. But that transmission's got some issues. We have finally entered the great state of Pennsylvania. Been a while. We're running at how many hours?
We left 13 and a half hours ago.
13 and a half hours ago. And we got 53 minutes until we drop this off. So hopefully this last hour goes quickly.
All right, onwards and upwards. Next project coming into the shop is a 94, I believe it is, or 97 Dodge. It's not a Dodge. I'm done with Dodges. Ford Ranger.
Drag this thing in the garage and get a transmission put in it.
He said, leave a message. You dirty dog. Turn the light back on. The garage, got it up on jack stands. Kenny and I ain't killing any time on this one. Transmission's already on the ground. Figured out what was the matter with it. Kenny, take it over, brother. Tell us what happened.
Oh, she's pretty. Come down here.
I'm coming on in.
So first we got this little break.
Oh, we're missing a tooth.
Yeah, and then
Some more chippies.
she gets stuck.
Stuck.
There's some more. Some more.
Oh my goodness.
And there's where she really went bad.
Yeah. All right, so we believe that's third gear.
And hold on, there's one.
It might even be fourth gear.
There it goes again. And again. And again. There's some last one.
Another one broken.
That's it.
Yeah. So we did not drain the oil out of this transmission. Apparently there was none in it. What's your dipstick say there? Oh, we got about a half inch at the bottom of it. Supposed to have a whole lot more than that. This transmission takes 10 weight, or transmission differential hydraulic fluid.
5W30.
5W30, I'm sorry. It takes regular old engine oil. Our replacement transmission is right here. We'll have to swap over the reverse light switch, get rid of the exhaust hanger bracket there, and I think we're just going to go right in there with it. KJ has plans, so we're not going to do it today, but we'll get back out here in the very near future and get the transmission hammered back in this thing. Really wasn't that hard getting out. I think the hardest part, believe it or not, was getting the hose out of the slave cylinder. So,
And the bell housing bolts.
yep, there was the two top bell housing bolts weren't the easiest to get a hold of, but we got them. All right. Good work today, KJ. Now we're going to get cleaned up. Oh yeah, let's check out the radiator here.
I don't know what we do about that.
Huh? That's what you call, she's going to need flushed. That surely doesn't look good. Can you even see any antifreeze in there? No. Where's it open? Alright. Yep, that's the plan. We're going to get this thing cleaned up. Get that tranny in it. See what we can make of it. Alright, so Kenny and I are out of here. We will see you tomorrow. Alright, everybody. So here we are out in the garage once again. Tuesday evening, sometime around 7:45. Going to be working on this Ranger. The old tranny is out. The new tranny is over there on the ground. We're going to swap over some stuff and get her shoved back in there. Let's see what we can get done here this evening. New transmission is over there. Kenny's trying to figure out if he's awake or not. And this is the old transmission. We're going to get the throwout bearing out of this one and put it into that one. And swap over the reverse sending unit, which is right there on that. KJ's going to bench press the transmission. I don't know where he's putting it. Right there, looks good. All right, let's get after it.
Ranger to the rescue.
All right, so we got the transmission in it.
And the jack stuck under it.
KJ's currently got the jack stuck under it. I'd like to see how this is going to happen. Taking it with it. Taking it with it. Take the park brake off. Taking it with it. You got it. Hopefully it didn't put a hole in the oil pan. All right, we're going to go for a ride here and see how this thing goes. You got to drag it from behind the wheel. It's not coming from in front. In the old Xena Warrior Princess mobile. We started slamming that transmission there at right about 8 o'clock. It is now 9:36.
It took us
an hour and 36 minutes.
33 minutes and 35 seconds.
Hour 33:35, and we're literally going for a test drive right now. First drive.
It's got good brakes.
The rears don't work. We proved that already. Only that I've got to go later.
I did already.
Oh, okay.
We got some beer in too.
All the dash lights work.
No, we got some.
Put your window up, crackhead.
It's 105 degrees in here. What happened to our radio, dude?
There's no faceplate.
It's trying to play, whatever.
I don't think it's trying to do anything. I just don't want to die, okay? Don't kill us. Slow down, the Ranger gonna kill us.
No good power steering.
Where's the clutch at?
I don't know. It's there. Really
To the school. Let's see if it shifts. Easy, don't kill us, remember. Oh yeah, nice shift.
Oh yeah, the gutless 2.5.
Oh, it's not even a 2.5, it's a 2.3.
It's a 2.5. Oh, that's beautiful little shift.
What gear's that? Third? Oh, we're gonna die.
Driving fourth.
Slow down.
Well, I gotta grab fifth.
I don't want to die. That's why I like living. If the truck doesn't kill us, the Honda virus will. Oh my God, does it stink in here?
That's why I had the window down.
It smells like the inside of a gym bag that you've had in your truck for 2 years.
Is the slider work?
No, the slider don't work. Don't kill us.
We're going past the school.
Yeah, well, you're gonna let me out so we can do the video. Ah, we're gonna die. Downshift nice.
Yeah, dude, this thing's nice.
Like it's not fighting you going in. It's good. All right, everybody. So that is a wrap for tonight. We got the Danger Ranger back from our little trip out there. The clutch is not fully disengaging, so it's dragging a little bit, and it can be a pain to get it into gear when you're stopped. But other than that, KJ, it shifts nice, right, bub? Mm-hmm. Runs down the road pretty cool. It is a 2.3, so it's not like it's got a little 302 in it or something. It doesn't have much power. It is now 10 o'clock. Actually, it's 5 after 10. The fire has burned itself out, and we are headed to the house. So I'll give you a little walk around real quick. You guys really haven't got to see much of this little thing. Woo, there we go. Again, it is a 1994 Ford Ranger 2.3 5-speed, two-wheel drive. Right now it's rocking a set of 14s. American racing, typical. And believe it or not, as ugly as it looks right now, I think once we get it down to Uncle Rowdy's Wash in Wellsburg, West Virginia, the official car wash in Mongo's Garage, it'll shine up like a new penny. And you guys will get to see that here shortly. Maybe not right yet, but it'll come here soon. All right. Good job, Kenny. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
We come together on this one, got her done in a hurry. I think, 2 days we worked on it.
Yeah.
Well, 4 hours, right? 2 hours out, 2 hours back in, and we got her done. So it was a quick one. And like I said, we'll get it down there, get it cleaned up, and see where we go from there. In the meantime, KJ has been a busy little dude. You guys might recognize these tires as the ones off of Henry. Dun, da, da. He's got himself a new set of tires and wheels. 26 1250 37s. They will not fit the truck right now. The truck's got to get a lift kit on it.
Coil
So
spring.
that'll be coming. He wants to swap it over to coils in the front.
Better ride.
And we did buy another truck. We've got an 06 F250 coming.
If anybody needs 33 1250 22, they're for sale.
Got a set of 33 1250 22s. Really good shape. I'd say that's over half, maybe even 3/4. And then these are for sale too.
No, they're sold.
Oh, these are sold already.
Yep. I was gonna clean them up and take them over.
Clean them up, take them over. And these bad boys here are huge. All right, what do you tell the people, Kenny?
Bye to the people, Kenny.
Bye to the people, Kenny. We'll see y'all. The old Mongo man's out.